Far too many people these days try to enjoy music, podcasts, or calls while staying aware of their surroundings, only to be let down by traditional headphones that either block out the world completely or fall out during any sort of movement. You might be a runner who can't hear traffic, a cyclist who needs situational awareness, or someone who simply finds in-ear buds uncomfortable after a few hours, all without realizing that a new category of audio gear has completely solved this problem. Dealing with tangled cords, ear fatigue, or dangerous isolation is more frustrating and risky than it needs to be. Upgrading to open-ear headphones will transform how you listen to audio in motion, offering safety, comfort, and freedom in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best open-ear headphones, particularly bone conduction models, go far beyond simply playing sound. They deliver audio through your cheekbones, leaving your ears completely open to hear ambient noise, and are designed to stay securely in place during the most intense workouts. And we have the top 5 options, from premium sport models to versatile everyday buds, ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get into the top 5 open-ear headphones you can get right now on Amazon. We begin with a flagship model from the brand that pioneered this category, the SHOKZ Open Run Pro Bone Conduction Headphones. We'll kick things off in the high-performance sport domain with these premium headphones. The Open Run Pro uses advanced bone conduction technology to transmit sound through vibrations on your temples, leaving your ear canals completely open. This means you can hear your music clearly while still being fully aware of cars, conversation, or any other environmental sounds. A critical feature for outdoor athletes. They are built for intense activity with a sweat-resistant design, a secure wraparound titanium frame that won't bounce, and a special hairband for added stability. The sound quality is a significant step up from earlier models, with enhanced premium bass that delivers richer low ends. With long battery life and a built-in microphone for calls, these are the ultimate headphones for runners, cyclists, and gym-goers who refuse to compromise on safety or audio quality. Next, we have the latest iteration of that flagship line, the SHOKZ Open Run Pro 2. This model takes the proven formula of the original Pro and refines it with thoughtful upgrades for 2024. It maintains all the core benefits, open-ear safety, secure fit, and sweat resistance, while introducing new features like an improved reflective strip on the band for enhanced visibility during early morning or late-night runs. The deep bass technology has been further tuned for an even more immersive listening experience without sacrificing situational awareness. The smart microphone system has also been upgraded for clearer voice pickup in windy conditions. For the athlete who wants the most current, feature-complete version of SHOKZ's top-tier bone conduction headphone, the Open Run Pro 2 represents the cutting edge of safe, high-fidelity audio for movement. Moving to a versatile and unique all-in-one solution, we have the Mojawa Run Plus Bone Conduction Headphones. This model stands out by combining 2 devices in one. It's both a Bluetooth headphone and a standalone 32GB MP3 player. This means you can leave your phone behind entirely. Just load it with your playlists and go for a run or a swim, thanks to its impressive IP68 waterproof rating. It uses the same open ear bone conduction technology for safety and awareness. The sound profile offers deep bass, and the fit is designed to be secure for high-impact activities. For swimmers, triathletes, or anyone who wants to completely disconnect from their phone but not their music, the Mojawa Run Plus offers unparalleled freedom and is one of the few true waterproof bone conduction options on the market. For those seeking the classic, reliable SHOKZ experience at a more accessible price point, we have the SHOKZ Open Run standard model. This is the workhorse of the lineup, offering the essential open-ear bone conduction experience that made the brand famous. It provides up to 8 hours of battery life, is sweat-resistant, and features a lightweight, durable titanium frame that fits securely. The sound quality is clear and balanced, perfect for podcasts, calls, and music during workouts. It includes a microphone and the helpful stabilizing hairband. If you are new to bone conduction technology and want to experience the safety and comfort benefits without the premium price tag of the Pro models, the SHOKZ Open Run is a proven, dependable entry point that delivers excellent value and performance. And finally, we have a different approach to open-ear audio from SHOKZ, the SHOKZ Open Fit 2 Plus. These are not bone conduction headphones. Instead, they are ultra-lightweight, open-ear earbuds that use tiny directional speakers placed just outside your ear canal. This design offers a different feel, more like traditional earbuds, but without any tip going into your ear. They provide immersive Dolby audio sound quality with rich bass, all while allowing environmental sound to pass through naturally. With a staggering 48 hours of total battery life with a case, USB-C fast charging, and even wireless charging, they are built for all-day comfort and convenience. For commuters, office workers, or anyone who prefers a more discreet, earbud-style form factor, but still needs to stay aware of their surroundings, the SHOKZ Open Fit 2 Plus offers a premium, comfortable, and feature-rich alternative to traditional in-ear options. From the sport-focused power of the Open Run Pro to the swim-ready Mojawa, the value-driven Open Run, and the all-day comfort of the Open Fit, each of these headphones redefines what it means to listen on the go. Stop choosing between great sound and your own safety. Check the links in the description for the best prices on these top-rated open-ear headphones and experience audio freedom today.